Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. With me HP and V4520 printer, and now I'm going to show you how to change the language of this printer using AWS. So of course you can change the language of printer using your printer's interface, your screen, your touch screen. But if you don't want to use touchscreen to change the language, you can do it using AWS. To do it, you need to provide the IP address of your printer in your web browser, or use HP Smart application. Find in HP Smart application your printer, click Advanced Settings, and you will open the AWS server 2. But unfortunately, HP Smart application, it's not stable app, and you need to wait for loading, for detecting of printers, and it's not too fast. So in this way, you can open the AWS Embedded Web Server using HP Smart application, but you can do it just entering the IP address in your web browser. Okay, so then just click Settings, click Preferences, choose International. Okay, click Advanced, Continue, wait a while. And here you will see the language of the control panel, and just change the language. For example, change it to French. Click Apply, and great, that's it. Now you will see that the interface of your printer's settings in your printer screen is in French or on the other different language. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.